Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me the latest Bose QuietComfort Ultra 2nd generation earbuds, and in this video I am going to show you how to use these earbuds with 15 tips and tricks. So let's start. The first feature is about Bose App. So if you want to use all the features and functions for these earbuds, you have to download Bose App. So I will open my app store and then here I will search for Bose App. And here it will show you two different apps. The first app is Bose Connect and the second app is Bose. So you have to download this Bose app because this Bose Connect app is for older devices. So I will open Bose app and then here I will start downloading this app. So the app is installed. I will open this app and here you have to make a few settings. So here it will ask you to sign in with your Bose account. So if you don't have Bose account, you can sign up from here, but I don't want to sign in. So I will select this option of do it later. Then you have to agree on terms of use and privacy policy. So I will select both of these options and then I will select I agree. And then here it will ask you for your Bluetooth access. So I will select this next option. And then I will select allow, and then you have to turn on your device Bluetooth. So I will turn on my Bluetooth and then it will take you to the next page. So here it will ask you for allow notifications. So I will select no thanks. And then from here you have to select this first option about headphones, earbuds, portable speakers and frames. So I will select it and then it will start searching nearby devices. So here you can see it is showing Bose QC Ultra 2 earbuds. Before selecting this connect option, you have to insert these earbuds inside your charging case. So I will insert my earbuds inside the charging case. Make sure they are properly inserted. And then in the next step, you have to select this connect option. And then at the back side of your charging case, you will see this Bluetooth button. You have to press and hold this button for 3 seconds. So I will press and hold it like this, and then it will start making a connection with your device. So here you can see it is showing me this pair option. So I will select it. And here you can see the Bose QC Ultra 2 earbuds are connected with my device. So I will select this get started. And here you can see the Bose QC Ultra 2 earbuds are finally connected with my device. Now I can use all of these features. The next feature is about wireless charging. So these earbuds support wireless charging. You have to use this charging case and make sure the button is in the center of the charger. Now let's talk about controls. So for controls, you have to use backside of your earbuds. For example, I want to play this video. I will single tap on my earbud and then it will start playing this video. Now for example, I want to pause this video. So again, I will single tap on my earbud and my video will pause. Now for example, you want to increase or decrease the volume, you have to swipe up or down on your earbuds. So for example, I want to increase the volume, so I will swipe up and here you can see the volume will start increasing. Now for example, I want to decrease the volume, so I will swipe down and here you can see the volume will start decreasing. So this is how you can increase or decrease the volume for your music. The next feature is about answering and ending calls. So if you want to answer a call, you just have to single tap on your earbud. So for example, here I have this call and now I want to answer this call. So I will just single tap on my earbud and the call will be answered. Now, for example, I want to end this call. So I will double tap on my earbud. So I will double tap it like this and the call will be ended. Same way, you can also decline a call as well. So here you can see I have this call and now I want to decline this call. So I will just double tap on my earbud and the call will be declined. You can also double tap on your earbud to skip to the next track, and you can also triple tap on your earbud to skip to the previous track. The next feature is about switching modes. So I will open modes on my app, and then here you can see I have 4 different modes. Now if I want to switch to a different mode, I will just press and hold on the back side of my earbud. So I will press and hold it like this, and then I will leave it, and then here you can see it will switch to the aware mode. Now for example, if I want to switch to the next mode, again I will press and hold on back side of my earbud, and here you can see it will switch to the immersion mode. The next feature is about multi-point connection. So you can connect these earbuds with more than one device. So here you can see I already connect these earbuds with my iPhone, and now I want to connect them with my Android tablet. So first of all, on my iPhone, I will open Bose app, and here I have this option of source. So I will select this source option, and then here you can see I have this option of add new. So I will select it, and now on my Android tablet I will turn on my Bluetooth settings. So I will open Bluetooth settings on my Android tablet, and then I will turn it on. So you just have to wait for a few seconds, and here you can see it is showing Bose QC Ultra 2 earbuds. So I will select it, and then it will start pairing. So I will select this pair option, and then Bose QC Ultra 2 earbuds get connected. So I will select this allow option from here, and on my iPhone you can see it is also showing Samsung Tab S10 Plus, which is my Android tablet, and now I can use these earbuds on both of these devices. So same way you can add up to 8 devices, but please note that the earbuds can be actively connected to 2 devices at a time. Now let's talk about modes. So I will open modes on Bose app, and here you can see it is showing 4 different modes, but you can also add more modes and you can also customize them. So I will select this plus icon, and then from here you can select any name. So for example, I will select workout, and then here you can do all your customization. So for example, you can adjust the noise cancellation, and you can also set the immersive audio. So here we have this option of still, and you can also go for motion. Once you finish with your customization, you can select this done option, and here you can see a new mode has been added. The next feature is about Equalizer. So I will select EQ in Bose app, and here you can see we have 4 different preset EQs available. So here we have bass boost, bass reducer, treble boost, and treble reducer. You can also customize these EQs as well. So here you can see I can easily customize them inside this app. The next feature is about immersive audio. So I will select immersive audio. So immersive audio will give you the highest noise cancelling level. So here we have 2 different options. So you can select this still option. So it will work best when you are sitting down. And if you select motion, so audio will follows you. It will work best when you are moving around. You can also personalize this immersive audio. So you have to select this option of calibrate your earbuds, and then it will open this window, and you have to follow these instructions. The next feature is about shortcut. So I will select this shortcut option, and here you can customize the touch and hold feature. So here we have 5 different options. You can go for cycle through modes. You can go for change immersive audio. We also have the option for switch devices. You can also go for access your voice assistant, and we also have the option for Spotify. Same way you can also customize the right shortcut as well. The next tip is about auto answer calls. So for example, if someone calls you and you want to answer that call, so you just have to wear your earbuds and call will answer automatically. So how to enable this feature? So first of all, you have to select this settings icon, and then you have to scroll down, and you will see this option of in-ear detection. So I will select it, and here you can see the second option is about auto answer call. So you have to enable it from here. Now let's talk about battery life and charging. First of all, I will talk about the battery life and charging for these earbuds. So the battery life for these earbuds is 5 hours and 30 minutes, and it will take 1 hour for complete charge. So if I insert these earbuds inside the charging case, and then I will close this charging case, it will take 1 hour for complete charge. So you can charge these earbuds up to 3 times in this charging case. You can also do a quick charge. So for example, if I want to do a quick charge, so you have to leave these earbuds inside this charging case for 20 minutes, and this will give you 2 hours of battery life for these earbuds. And now let's talk about the charging for charging case. So you have to charge it for 3 hours for complete charge. The next feature is about self voice. So you can also set how much of your own voice you want to hear during a call. So you have to select this settings icon, and then from here you have to scroll down and you will see this option of self voice. So you can select it, and here you can see we have different options available. So you can go for high, medium, low, or you can completely turn it off. You can also turn off voice prompt for battery level, connections and calls. First of all, you have to select this settings icon, and then you have to scroll down, and here you can see we have this option of voice prompts. So you can select it, and here you can turn it off for connections and calls, and you can also turn it off for battery level. And now I will show you how to hard reset or factory reset these earbuds. So first of all, you have to open Bluetooth settings on your device. So I will open Bluetooth settings, and then here you can see it is showing Bose QC Ultra 2 earbuds. So you have to select this eye icon. So I will select it, and then from here you have to select this option of forget this device. So I will select this option, and then I will select forget device. Then you have to open your Bose app. So I will open Bose app, and then from here you have to select this option of account settings. So I will select account settings, and then from here you have to select manage products. So I will select manage products, and here you can see it is showing Bose QC Ultra 2 earbuds. I will select this edit option from here. Then I will select Bose QC Ultra 2 earbuds, and then here I have this option of delete. So I will select this delete option, and then I will select remove. So Bose QC 2 Ultra earbuds are removed from my device. And in the next step, you have to insert these earbuds inside the charging case. So I will insert these earbuds inside the charging case, and you have to leave this charging case open. Now what you have to do at the back side of this charging case, you see this Bluetooth button. So you have to press and hold this Bluetooth button for 25 seconds, and you have to repeat this process for 3 times in total. So I will press and hold this Bluetooth button for 25 seconds, and after third cycle, you will see this status light will blink amber for 3 seconds, and after 3 seconds, it will start blinking in blue color slowly, which means the earbuds are fully hard reset. So this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.